Okay, good morning, guys. You don't know, son, boy Android is they are back on another tutorial video about Injector Pro. So now there's a new update launched about 2 days ago, which very complicated for some people then to understand it and things like that. So today I will be showing you how to use it. Okay, so let's watch the video carefully and follow the steps. Okay, guys, as you can see, when I'm exporting, you see 4 options: save and unlock, save to cloud, save and share. The new option in the update is save to cloud, right? So whenever I click on save to cloud, click export config, it gives 3 options: save normal, burn after import, set expiry date. Alright, cloud saving means that you will get a link instead of a config file, so you get a link. So I'm going to show you. Click export config, there is a link, cloud config key. So I'm going to press copy the link. Okay, I want to go to my channel. Go to my channel in a minute. Okay, there. Whenever I post a link like this in my channel, I send it. Hold on. Send it in my channel like that. Whenever you see it, you click on the link. You're going to load into Chrome. Alright, load the page. Alright, it's a cloud config, open HTTP Injector app. Paste the link or key to import config. So the key automatically is there as when you click on the link. So the only thing you're going to do is press import. Press import. From there, reopen back Injector. Give it a minute, and it will go straight into Injector. See? Or next option is, hold on, you can copy the link, copy, go into your Injector. You're going to go up here, click on that, and you click on import, and then you will see this down here, cloud config, and you click on it, and then you paste the link that you copied from my channel, and you press import config. Boom, there it is, import. So that's how the new updates work, guys. So my channel link will be in my description, and the link for the new Injector will be in my description as well. So I'm using the Injector Pro version, so a lot of stuff, new stuff and all of that. So stay tuned for another update on Injector very soon, and I will be giving away some file today in my channel, so join and just have a nice day. Thank you.